You know the drill. Get yourself something to drink. Join me on this next video. Welcome back here to the shop. It is great to be out here and to start another project. And I've got a little tool here that I saw in the flea market, and I've never seen one like this before. Have you ever seen one of those? I mean, I would call it initially a pipe wrench, but it doesn't have any threads. It's got this spring-loaded deal, and it slides. There's this little brass insert right in here with a spring on top, and that brass moves and slides along the metal. And then it's got these little teeth in there where it bites down. So there's one tooth here that is a little tore up, so I thought we'd take some time and clean it up. I don't want to do anything that would hurt this thing, and really it's not in bad shape. I just thought I'd take it apart. We've got to clean out that screw, take that screw off, and I think it all slides right down off of there. So join me on this as we take this apart, clean it up, and we'll see what it looks like in the end. Alright, we can read that pretty well right there, but this other side, that is really hard to read. So I'm hoping when we take this to the wire wheel, it will clean up some and we'll be able to see it. It really is in pretty good shape. It's just that one little tooth right there that I'm hoping we can get cleaned up. It really doesn't affect the use of the tool. But let's see if this will come apart. Wow, it's tight. Fine. Alright, that should ride right off of there. Now, make sure we don't lose any springs. I think there's only one spring. Yeah, there's one spring back here. Don't think there's any other springs. I'm not sure here. I wonder what that is. There's a screw right there. I don't know if that's visible or not. Oh, there is another spring right down in there. That screw holds that spring. I don't know if I'm going to try to take that out. We'll see. But the rest of this, we can now clean up. Alright, I got the little spring out that was down inside, right down in here. I want to just point this out. This here is basically a piece of steel wrapped around, and it's pinned right there. I'm not going to try to remove those pins. I'm just going to try to get in there with some solvent and a wire brush. See if we can't clean that out really well down inside there. Clean this all off with a wire brush, and I really don't want to go messing around with it. So we'll see. here's another little project we've got finished up. I don't know exactly how well these would work. I need some more time with them and try them out. You can see how those jaws don't come together straight. So it is going to function more like a pipe wrench, that when it bites down, it kind of torques in and grabs hold. This might work. It might be for a round pipe. I can see that working really well. So anyways, I just think it's really cool. I like that sliding action, how that you just squeeze down and you can adjust it to whatever you need. And I could see that working better for a pipe. Wouldn't be a very big pipe, but I really do like it. So we've got a place here on the wall for it. We'll put it right up there with the rest of the tools. Want to thank you so much for joining me on this little project. It's been great to have you along. Thanks so much. Have a great day. God bless. Hit the thumbs up and hope to see you on the next video. That works much better on a round surface. I think it's made to do that, to bite down better. Not made for a nut. It'll work, but I think it'll round off the edges.